Today I'm cleaning out my pantry. I have a jar system that I use. A few years ago I bought a whole bunch of different size jars from Target to make my pantry look nicer, and so I could access everything a bit easier with my dry goods. But as you can see, it's been about 2 months and it's getting pretty full and needs a good organise. So I'm going to pull everything out, clean the jars and restock everything. So these are my jars, and this is probably the part that takes the longest for me. I have to disassemble all the jars because the metals and the seals aren't dishwasher safe. So I wash them by hand, but the jars themselves, once you take all the metals off, I just put them in the dishwasher and then let them air dry before I restock them. My main bench is taken up by jars at the moment, so it's a little bit of Tetris while I move things around so I can get into clean other spots. And now I'm just assembling the jars back together now that they're dry, and then I'll refill them. I find the jar system good not only to be able to see everything that's in your pantry when you're trying to cook, but also to protect it from things like ants, or if you get mice, it doesn't affect the food in your house. But also it just looks cleaner and neater in your pantry. I do write labels on the bottom and the best before dates.